So I was down at my little storage property making a mess, and figured I'd make a quick video for my YouTube here. I want to know, kind of what you guys are interested in. What do you want to see me work on, or what do you want to see? I don't know, what do you want to see in general, I guess. Everything down here is kind of, it's just like a storage parts. I put them down here until I know what I'm going to do with them. If there's a certain truck you see that you wanted me to go into some detail with, then I'll just make another video on it. I figure I'll give a little walk around quick. I'll go through the trucks, I guess. That's a 6.2 diesel there, 4-wheel drive. It's got a little lift on it. The S10 I sold, I don't know, 3 years ago, and it hasn't left its spot. At a 76 Ford, it came with my blue one up at the other house. It's a Arizona truck. It's got AC, but no title. Little 84 Blazer, I believe it was. I just didn't want to see scrapped. I just got my 39 sitting on there for now, underneath it. My white Bronco, 92 to 96. I forgot exactly what year. We just call it OJ because it used to be white. A little step-side Chevy. I bought it. The motor was bad, and I started taking it out and never finished the swap. Another Chevy. This one everyone complains about because I put oil in my brake fluid. It was a quick fix. It doesn't drive on the road. It's a yard truck. Who gives a shit? Another 80s Chevy. Well, no, 90s, sorry. This was a really nice truck until I rolled it. A Grand Prix. I even have the paperwork for it. The original window stickers and stuff. With all the extras, it was 24 grand. I thought that was kind of cool. It's got the paint coat and all sorts of other random stuff in there. It's got a good running motor in it yet. I just haven't done anything with it. The motor. And then the gouge out of the bed. I got hit by a tractor. It's a long story. This was an IDI, driving. It's a little rough now. Just sitting under these trees all the time, it doesn't help them any. But this one, I believe, it only had 101,000 miles on it. 5-speed. It's a nice truck. This one I made a short on not long ago. 88. 306 was starting, and then the kid said that it just stopped starting on him. The motor, he thinks the motor locked up, but I'm pretty sure the AC pump just froze up on him. There's a Ranger, I think it's a 78. Another one I just didn't want to see scrapped. All this stuff has good parts on it. This sat behind somebody's barn for the longest time. 66 F600. Even has the 2-speed rear end. No idea what kind of motor it's got. I know the motor's locked up, so I didn't really worry about it. But for this red truck here, or not red, sorry, yellow truck here, that step van that runs, and then there's that dually up there. I only gave $1,000 for all three, so I'm not really gonna complain. My rock crawlers that I haven't finished, that one started as a 76 Chevy, and then they put the framing and the links in there. It's got the dash, that's about the only thing. Well, part of the dash. This one was all hand built for, is it four? Yeah, 4-link, 4-wheel steer, all hydraulic. That's a contractor's truck that I never put the fuel pump in. Never got a title with it either. An old step van. I thought it was pretty cool. It's rusty, but I don't know. It runs. Can even use it for storage. I guess that's probably what I'll do once I find a spot for it. It's got the shelves and shit. I know, I think it'll be nice. There's the dually that came with the step van and the dump truck. And that sat under a pile of junk. And somehow it still will run. It'll go into gear, but all the tires are locked solid. So it won't really go anywhere until I get that unlocked. My 77 cab. It was on a 2-wheel drive chassis. I don't remember what all happened to that I decided to take the cab off. It's not really any good, but there's good panels on it, so don't get rid of it. It's a 95, I think it was. They were going to make a little truggy out of it, so it was a long box. He shortened everything and then just never finished the project. He wanted it back, but he hasn't came and got it yet. Mainly because this sky crack all over the ground. But it's like 30 some degrees out today, so I'm gonna enjoy it. And then this is like my little junkyard part. Nothing out here is really good. It's just random parts. Got a 68 F250. I bought it 5 years ago. It sat in the guy's pasture. No, it was probably like 10 years ago now. Little 223 straight 6, automatic, 3/4 ton. No, I've only opened the hood once, twice. I have no idea if the motor's locked or not. Parts truck for my black truck. I think this is a 95 Power Stroke. Had a bad transmission. It had a box on it, but my 70 F250, that was a 460. I just like the dash. I don't know. Our Target truck. I bought it, bombed around with it for a little while, and then we just parked it out here and started shooting at it. Motor runs good yet, but it's got some bullet damage. '84 Dodge frame. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. It's just been hanging around. Same with this short box Chevy frame. I think it's a mid-60s 4-wheel drive. More bullet holes. Some of them guns will do some damage to you. My car dolly that I bought and literally just dumped off there. Another 88 to 90 something Chevy. Bought it for $300 because the guy said the clutch needed to be bled or wouldn't work or something. So we just power shifted it and I jumped the cow lane with it until the frame gave out the rest of the way. A little 88 Suburban. Needed a rebuild on the TBI and I just never did it. Traded a car for it. Another K-body. Been getting a kick out of the people trying to get the converter off the bottom of that one. They can't seem to get a hole big enough. There's 79? No, 74, I think. I don't know, I can't find the VIN. But I got the title for it. It was a 360 4-speed 4-wheel drive Jeep. Got a boat. That was free, so it's just there. What's left of a Galaxy, I think it was a Galaxy 62. The motor and tranny is in that pile of junk there somewhere. But there was some straight tin on there. Now I just have it because it used to be my uncle's car way back when. Oh, and we hit a tree. So now it frowns. But let me know in the comments, you know, if you guys have any ideas. I kind of want to get the channel going somewhere. I just need some help with the direction. I don't have a shed or anything like that, so, you know, everything is done outside. You know, in this awesome, awesome weather. Right now it ain't bad, but I'd like to get something going with the channel. Maybe make more videos. I don't know, I need subscribers, I need views, I need something. Mainly a shop, but I can deal with what I got. That we're just trying to get rid of. Runs, drives. This turned into a tannerite subject. And, well, I parked it because it lost a brake liner. I didn't want to fix it. I only paid $200 for it. Now it's just decoration. Right outside the road. Well, let me know in the comments, guys. Thanks.